Welcome back to the Technical CAD. In the last video, I have shown you commands which are present in Draw panel. In this video, I will show you how to work with blocks command. Let's go into the video. Blocks are one of the most important concepts in AutoCAD. First of all, what are blocks? Blocks can be created using a different set of elements using block command. It means we will convert the different objects into a single object. It's called block. Here on the screen you can see my paper, a drawing sheet. See, if I select the object, the whole objects is getting selected. Either it is consisting of numbers, text, boxes, lines, everything. So everything will get selected into a single object. So this is an example of block. Now let's go and see how to create block and how to insert block. Let's draw an object. Let's take length 400 and breadth 200. Okay, now you can draw a hole on the center point. Now you need to create this object as a block, these two as a single part. Now you can see, so it's getting selected separately, but we need to get selected as a single object like this. For that, just go for create. So in the blocks panel on the top right corner you will get this option. Just click the create. Now here you can type the name of the block. Just type base plate. So base plate, base point. So you can specify, you can click the pick point. So where is the pick point of your block? So this is my pick point. Here you can give the x coordinate and y coordinate. Otherwise you can directly use a pick point. And now specify on screen. I mean, it's asking for objects. So what are all the objects you have to convert into a block? Select that. So still no objects have been selected. And now give enter. Insert a base point, and now just go for select objects. Select objects, enter. Here you can see two objects selected. Now here we are having three options: a retime, convert to block, and delete. So what is a retime? So if you go for a retime, so the objects which are present on the screen will not convert into a block. So it will be remain same, and in this insert panel you will get a block. So you can click that and insert as a block. So this will be remain as a normal drawing. So that is retime. And if you click the convert to block, what will happen means, so this object will get converted into a block, and also you will have the block in insert option. And now delete. So if you give delete, so what will happen means, the objects present on the screen will get deleted, but the block will be saved in the insert panel, and from there you can get it and place it on the screen. So let's see one by one. So I'll go for Retime. So if you want any description regarding that block, you can type it here and give OK. Now see, so we have given Retime. So Retime means these objects will remain same, but in insert we will have that options. See, here the base plate have been created. So let's select now. Now see, you select this. So now it's selecting as a single part. So this is the retain command. I will delete that and I will select this objects and give command as B, enter. So instead of selecting here, you can directly give the command B. B is the shortcut for block. You can give the name, so base plate 1 and pick point. So I can select the center point as a pick point. So wherever you can select, I mean anywhere you can select the pick point. So either it may be a corners or either it may be a center point. So according to your requirement. Now select objects. I'll go for select objects, enter. Now here you can see 2 objects selected already. Now convert to block and give OK. So now see, on the screen it's got converted into a block. Also you will get the base plate 1 in the insert panel. So that's the thing. And now I'll go back and go back. Now see, this is separate. Now again go for B, enter. Select base plate 1. So let's take base plate 2 because base plate 1 name already used. Go for pick point. I can use the pick point. So you got a doubt why we are using pick point. I'll show you that. Wait, just go for delete and select the objects, enter. Now see, 2 objects got selected and give OK. So on the screen it has been deleted. And now go for insert. So here you can get the base plate 2. Select the base plate. Now the mouse point is at my base point. So wherever I have given the base point, so my mouse will get sticked on that point, and based on that point only I can place the object onto the screen. So that is why we use the base point. So that is the use of base point. And now go for insert. In insert we have 2 options. So one is recent blocks and one is blocks from libraries. So if I go for recent blocks, you will get one option will get opened here. So that is a blocks palette. You can directly use it as a blocks palette also. So recent blocks have been created here. So base plate 1, base plate 2, base plate and template, already it's there on the screen. This is my template. Okay, current drawing. So in this current drawing, what are all the blocks available, you can see it here. Recent and libraries. So if you have any libraries, so there you can select. So open blocks library. So if you have drawn blocks previously and saved on your system or somewhere else, so you can use that blocks library. You can open and use there. Just I have clicked open block libraries. Let's see, it will open. Yeah, so now you can see, so wherever you can wherever you have placed your blocks, you can open that folder and place your blocks. So that is libraries and recent and current drawing. So if you close that, if you want to open that again, so you can give blocks palette. So blocks palette and give so one more thing is there. So after creating block, so if you want to explode, so if you want to explode as a normal objects, then you can use a command called X and give enter. Now you see it has been exploded to the previous form. I mean, so one separate rectangle and one separate circle. So that is the option called explode. So you can also take an option called unexplodable. I mean, so there is an option. So I'll show you. Give P enter. So here one option is there, allow exploding. So if you switch off that, so it's not possible to. So I'll give a name as a BB. Pick point, I will select the center point, convert to block, give OK. Now see, this has become a block, and now if I give X enter, select the object and give enter, here you can see one could not be exploded. I mean, one object could not be exploded because we have selected the option there, that allow exploding. We have unchecked the allow exploding option, that's why it's not exploding. So this is the command block. So this is a way how we can block the objects and insert the blocks. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section, and also don't forget to download the PDF notes from the description. Also do like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Thank you.